Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now, or just close it right away by hitting OK. Now click on your screen, and finally select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung, and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. It will take some time though, so I will go with only a couple. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section on an Android. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And then click on Download after Watch Ad to connect. If you prefer to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close the node. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then just wait. As you can see, after a while, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!